There is someone making money each time you use the internet. It's either the network provider, the social media you're browsing on, or the blog you're browsing on. Them making money from this is legit because they already built the platform to make profit from it. In this video, I'm going to be introducing you to the first ever app that allows you to make money by sharing your internet connection. Welcome back. Once you click on the link in the description of this video, it's going to bring you here immediately. It's going to bring you to this interface like this. So you are going to get a $5 gift when you register. So immediately you click on it and it brings you here. Click on register to claim $5. It's going to bring you to this interface once you click on the register and claim $5, and it's going to require you to either sign up with your email, or you sign up with your Facebook, or you sign up with your Google account. So for me, I'll opt for the Google account, but it depends on what is comfortable for you, what you feel comfortable using to register. I'm going to click on sign up with Google just now, and we are going to allow it to authenticate my account. So I have different accounts on my phone. I'm going to click the one I want to use to register. So let's say I want to use this, and automatically it's going to sign me in to the account. It has created an account for me automatically. So it is that simple. Immediately you get registered, you can start earning with these 3 steps that is shown on your screen. Number 1, you should download the HoneyGain app. Don't download it from Play Store. Ensure you download it from the website where you register from. Download it, install the app, and then log in with the same credential you used to register on this website. So I'm just going to download for Android now. If you use a PC, it's there. If you use an iPhone, it's there. So you can just download it on your phone and install it. Then you start earning from the app by just putting on your data, allowing the app to run in the background while you continue browsing and doing whatever you are doing online. So I'll download this now. The app is not heavy at all. It's around, let's just say 7 or 8 MB. Okay, 7 MB downloaded. I'm going to install it on my phone now and open it with the same details I just used to register. Right now I'm done installing the app. As you can see on my screen right now, HoneyGain is here already. So all you have to do is just click on it and allow it to load, then log in with the same credentials you used to register on the website. Alright, so it's going to bring out the terms of use. You can read it out, but I've already read the previous one, so I'm just going to agree now, and it's going to introduce you to how HoneyGain works. You can decide to read it out or skip the introduction. So this is the dashboard here. Okay, I haven't logged in yet, so I'm just going to come to the more option at the right hand side, at the bottom of the right hand side here, and click on sign in. It's going to log me in right now. I'm going to log in with my Google account. Since I signed up with my Google account, I'm going to log in with my Google account. But if you signed up with your email and password, that is the same thing you are going to use to log in here. Please note. So I'm just going to continue and log in. So I've just logged into my account right now, and here is my dashboard. Here is the referral bonus I got because I signed up using a referral link. I got a bonus of 5,000. What are they calling it? $5, I mean. So the rest now will now start accumulating, and it is when I get to $20 that I am required to. That is when I'm going to be able to request for a payout. You can decide to leverage on the affiliate program, which is what I'm currently doing right now. You can decide to refer people, refer your friends, and when they start earning from the app, you get 10% of whatever they earn to your own wallet. So, and you can also allow the app to run in your background. All you have to just open the app immediately. Let's say when you wake up in the morning, you open the app and then you continue your browsing. You open the app, back it, and it will run in the background of your phone, and it's going to start accumulating. It's going to start accumulating and earning you points. while you go through your Facebook, your Instagram, you are going to be earning through this app. So the first thing you need to do when you open the app on your phone is to click on the more option. When you click on the more, you go to your settings and do this little settings. You allow it to share your internet. Then you can decide to turn it off. If it is turned off, HoneyGain will only work on the Wi-Fi, and we don't want to put it on Wi-Fi alone, so I'm going to put it on right now. So you can decide to also set how much mobile data HoneyGain can use each month, but I'm not going to be setting any data limit, so I'll just leave that. It depends on you. If you want to turn off your battery saver to increase your earning, you can turn it off and turn it on. And if you want to, because if you put on your battery saver, your earning is going to be lower. So you can change your language to and allow it to start when device boots. So it depends on all what you are comfortable with. So that's just it. How fast you can earn on this app literally depends on you. It depends on how well you browse the internet. Let's say you are someone that is on the internet 247, the way you earn will be different from the person that is on the internet for just, let's say, 2 or 3 hours a day. So you get, it depends on how you browse the internet, how much you go check your WhatsApp, your Facebook, or search for anything or any app, any app that just requires you to put on your data. It depends on how well you put on your data in 24 hours. That is how fast you are going to earn. And in a month, the least you can earn is at least $28 to $30, depends on how well you use the internet. So like I said earlier, this app won't give you thousands of dollars, but the few it can give you for, extra cash depends. You see how we all see how the rate of dollar is now. So let's say you get, at the end of the month, you get like $30. That is like how much? Like 20 to 30k just by doing nothing. So yeah, if you don't mind some extra cash, this is definitely for you. Sign up using my affiliate link that is in the description of this video. Sign up with it so that you can get your own bonus of $5. If you don't sign up with it, you're not going to get the bonus. So sign up with it and get your own bonus. Then you download the app and start earning with it. You can also refer your friends using your own referral link by giving them your own referral link and explaining the way it works, and allow them also to register. Then you start earning from their own earnings too, while they too can refer some of their friends also. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.